Welcome back to it, Mapagania.
We're back
with another one, Bafethu. Back with the bang, 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 Mapagania. I'm excited, Bafethu. The treble champions. Yang thola sibuyile Mapagania fresh ngiphethe amajimbusi studio. Sicale ngenkabi yami. Khamba kanjani Nkabi yami? Khamba kanjani Nkabi yami?
Sibingelele Nkabi ezweni. Hayi, yonke into imnandi mfethu. Sibuyile from last season. Sizoqala enye season mfethu. Esingakusho uNkulunkulu akangavaleleki ngaphandle Nkabi zami. Masibuyanga ngoba singoclever sihlakaniphile umusa nje kaNkulunkulu. Sesikhona mfethu. We are back by popular demand. Isilungu leso.
Back by popular demand. Webukele kuphi Nkabi i-World Cup mfethu? Because mangithi ngabuthi hayi angisatholakali mina manje sengisemakhaya ngidwa keep ushiye kanjalo vele.
Ya mina Nkabi yami angisiwa lapha eMjiba mina ngwale kwaZulu Natal ophongolo le KZN so ngalezi ikhathi lezi zonyaka la koMajuni May lapho ngisuke sengingale ngiyodila ngeinyosi zami zangale so iWorld Cup ngithole vele bese sengingale eKZN.
Yeah,
understand. Network ikona la ngale.
Yeah. Yatholakala inetwork.
Hayi network yatholakala.
Abafana bona babone kanjani quickly nje kubo nje.
No baphushile abafana into singayisho ngebafana ngicabanga ukuthi emlandweni amajita istory sawo singena emlandweni.
Yeah.
Ukufika ku last 32 umlando lo.
Yeah.
Uyangiunderstand. Ngiyacabanga nje bathi just imagine usibise ngena ku last 32 wena ungenile. Uyangiunderstand phakathi inside. Yeah so abafana baphushile bafethu. So sometimes singama fan siye sinikwe isandla bese sifuna ingalo yonke. Thatha isandla nje uqine ngesandla ingaliyeke so la bafike khona sewumzansi we are proud of them and siyabonga.
Yeah. Yuko Pros phambili ko Yuko Pros.
Phambili ngomadala. Phambili. Yes.
Akinga. Dengowashi haven't seen you in a while sir. Ulibela usichafe vavethi.
Angilahlekanga mfethu ngisase.
Yeah.
Ngigcine kudala ama chance and I think I've missed this thing. Ngilokhu ngisishafela endlini angithola. Trying to spend time with ifamily because yabo njengoba season seyiqala. Yeah, it's go soba sincane leso sikhathi. But it's khona sibuyile.
Yeah. Matala phambili ngomatala.
Yeah. Phambili ngomatala.
Last but not least Mapagania Coast.
Yeah, siyeke ngomadala. It's right to see. Happy to be back with Mapagania Bafethu and looking forward to another great and successful season Bafethu. Siyabopha futhi sithi bopha mzomnyama bopha
Triple the champions. Yeah. Lena Bafethu ke mnate lena Bafethu nice holidays Bafethu. You know sometimes you need that break where you are able to as Mlambo correctly said or just spend time with the family.
Sure.
Just to clear your mind off things until I get it because once the season starts, you know, it's always stressful until I get it. Just sure, one time, keep abafana babuyile ndoda pre-season ndoda you saw abantu ama-new signing ndoda ama-TTC coming in mfethu uwabukele lama game lawa ayi-4 lawa siwadlalelwe pre-season.
Ngibukile Nkabi yami akukho kungiphuthile ngibone yonke into so nje okusho ukuthi kubhizi mfethu kubhizi kakhulu. Yeah singamabhakaniya we are busy like bees. Yeah so ngesizulu bathi Nkabi yami kubamba ezingelayo. Yeah so if uzogoqa izandla relax mfethu izophela isizini uzobe ungabali next uzobe ungadobhanga next. Yeah kunesikhathi la kufanele khona uyiteam umele ube busy makusayina usayine makupromote upromote uma kuwelwa kuthiwa kuyawelwa mfethu kuyiwa pre-season kunqamla amazwi. You understand? Yeah so kuningi okwenzekayo mfethu kuningi okwenzekayo so makuningi ukupheka kusho ukuthi nesidlo nokudla amaplate azoba maningi. Sizongena kwenye season mfethu. Ngicabanga singamabhakaniya we are more than ready. Yabona ukuthi ngize ngesilungu kabi ngiyingozi kabi this time. Yeah sisiready kakhulu singamabhakaniya.
Shubile kule season.
Shubile ba. Uyabona this season. Hayi kuzonuka isidushi senkukhu yasazi isidushi senkukhu inkukhu ikhiphe esinye isititiyela baba lezweni hayi ngiyakutshela kabe yami khuluma nami
umbonile no Radio Man ushaye 2 goals ngithola uvukile kwawafileyo mfethu
yeah what I love nge team yethu Pirates si team iyabekezelelana yeah sometimes kuyadingeka umuntu ukumbekezelela but ayiki dustbin yokulahla umuntu ya lengwenya mfethu nayo sibonga ukuthi mfethu ingahambi yokokodi icela ukuthi ifuna ukuhamba because uyabona ukuthi iqala ama game I think awu2 lawo oqala sidliwa kula season yeah after lawo ma game lawo ayiphindanga yabuya but umjita ukhona ifiti phela leyankabi check umlenze wakho awulento phela ifiti baba and impela ama izinto zakhe zingahlangana kahle ama defender ngaba nenkinga lapha azosala phansi because umjita ufiti physically yeah so I'm happy na nge performance yakhe ku pre-season leli goal eli1 or 1 or 2 nyana limbooster kwi confidence you understand so ngicabanga ukuthi uzoqala nje isizini umjita enale yanto ukuthi yazini angiqhubekela ngicine khona from kwi pre-season
yeah of course we send the new striker we gonna get into him yabona but for you mawibheka the pre-season the way hambe ngakhona do you think ukuthi between the 3 strikers that we have apart from angithi lo akadlala akatrain
yes.
So for you Kalubani between the 3 Evidence Makgopa Mbuthuma no Radio Man
njoba ngisho mfethu ngithi si team ebekezelayo nebekezelelanayo especially kumajita njengombuthuma umbuthuma usasemncane usafika beka akajwayeli ukudlala kwi full capacity like istadium usigcwele ezinye izinto kumele siyibheke eyithusa abafana uthatha umfana obhuqwini umfake arena it's like usuka la emhlabeni uyodlala ezulwini you understand so akusinto elula le but engicabanga ukuthi uzongena kwenye season umbuthuma esejwayele so singamqalisa but mina ngifuna vele kusheshwe mfethu kuvele kushube ya mina ngifuna vele kushube baba liyabona lengwenye siyilandeli ayikadlali yes but phela thina sinawo amadata siyakhona ukungena ku YouTube siqalazi kwenzekalani umjita simqalazile sa check ama video umngozi bukhona mfethu umngozi bukhona lapha so thatha umjita umfake lapha bese umncedisa nabo umbuthuma lapha
ukuthi sicale ngaye one time
faka lo mjita kulate kakhulu kulate kakhulu ngalokho uzazolinda akusalinda thatha umjita umfake lapha ya lo mjita loyana unomngozi loyana baba lo mjita unomngozi and mawuthi uyamchecka kahle enyaweni zombili akunakho ukuthi ma uleft ungathi uyaleka ukuzo lenyawo zombili nasomoyeni futhi ukhona you understand ingwenya leyana
ba ingwenya mfana ingwenya Mr Mlambo mfethu obviously pre-season indanga 5 games 2 draws 2 losses and 2 losses 2 wins and 1 draw
I think i-pre-season njengoba no keeper shilo it's just ukuthi angithi sinama new signings khamba abanye abantu it wouldn't predict starting 11 but at least ucoach mikazama ukubona ama combination because every time makuba nalama water break hydration break mawubona kunoshintwa 7 sibona boxoki bayabuya I think it was just like trying to see yangithola and nami ngiwabukela menga expectanga ukuthi mele swini or kanjani menga expect ukuthi at least ucoach I achieve lento akafuna kuyiyenza I think now since sesile lapha pre-season he knows now ukuthi okay this is my go to 11 men engizoqala ngabo you understand but it was good for intwana ezibhaya ngithola especially lezi siphuma ku DDC at least izothi mase sidlala ezinye if they can get an opportunity confident izobe seyibuyile because sebajelile nama giants ngithola and against ama opposition are strong than the ones which we are used to
yeah definitely. So who's one player that you're looking forward to maybe who didn't show up last season or amongst our new signings?
For me first thing things are issue I think now we have young boys we have a young team ever since ngibukela iPirate ngiyaqala ukubona sineyintwana ezincane so and which is good ntanga sho ukuthi like i-team yangithola is innovating trend ukuthi okay we looking for the future but for me I'm rooting for young boys ngabala 3 Yangithola. Mulai, I think that boy is going to give us special things, Yangithola. But it's gonna be based on the coach because sakhumula noMasindi sambona simbona ku final MTN 8 kuzothatha isikhathi ucoach uyazi ukuthi udingani yangithola. For me it's Mulai, pop mabhodlela, pop champagne. I hear people are saying he's under a lot of pressure, which is good. Sengikhohliwe umuphi coach washo kanjalo wathi if you don't find pressure in sports ucabanga ukuthi udlalana because it's something ekhona yangithola. And I think the boy hero talent intanga from the days asebhuqwini yangithola. And mina I'm for that. Mina ngibhola yase lokishini but siyathatha silifake emazweni because even Norile uphuma level yangithola usibonisa element yaseval no Popo. I think as much as are skillful but I think we understand the professional football because siyabona nama-cross akhe and uyakhona ukukuthatha as much as it doesn't have speed. Nayo Popo I'm looking like uye ngimbhekile. The last one uDansini, I think the boy
young Dansini.
I think the boy is that season yakhe or second, I'm not sure. But I think the boy like he's a professional and I think he always raises his hand ukuthi coach I'm coming. There was this game lapha I man of the match or I captain. I think that game he was special. He was excellent. And we've seen a glimpse of Dansini which it doesn't go back. That boy when he plays he can mark, he can give us something when you go forward. Those are my three players and Mbappe.
Young Dansini, you know, when you mentioned that name, I just remember that goal in Mamelodi Sundowns. Bang!
Goal of the season.
Goal of the season, a special player, special coach.
Too much, Tona. And I think ahead the future is bright ahead of him. Yeah, and I think Mara, that midfield in fact we have a lot of players there. So I'm worried to bench izobapaya mfethu like no matter ukuthi udlalisa bani mfethu baningi abazoli bench la yabo. I think defensive midfielders I counted Boma 5 6 uyangithola. So that it's going to be very competitive. So we'll see how it fares mfethu, but I'm rooting for Dansini now mfethu.
So do you reckon or coach must start with talented Dansini beginning of the season? Talent is gonna be there.
I think talent is an 8.
It's just the question of who's going to partner talent. And,
I think young Dansini is a good shout. But but I think it's a good shout for young Dansini with the form and everything. Momentum it's wearing. How come guy? Because otherwise it's a cash, nduli. And the others are new. No, I'm saying the others are new.
Thought on preseason, any standout players for you or player?
I think in fact to Eshna Gaishaba Fandiwani preseason, but I had a glimpse of a couple of games. I saw Mwato. He's promising. Matumi. Matumi lena ke mono re there's something there. I want to Popovia Seramzeba. But I fetish. Nakbata wana Sebastian, can I keep I wanna see Sebastian. That guy.
Young Haaland.
He must be the finisher. We have everything. We need a net eater. So I'm looking forward to Sebastian.
And shout out to Mfit. You know, I think we need to mention Mfit. You know, those games were highly like physical. Mfit. You know, you wouldn't say work friendly. Mfit. Like those guys, there's some guy who came up with the stretch. Mfit. You know, imagine also in a police in Malaga preseason, and then you won't get a chance or more now and so. So I think. As keeper said, like I understand. I'm a friendly man, I understand. You're just trying to see Yama player, not to say it must be competitive and make sure that you win by all means. You know what I mean? Even if you win, there's nothing that you're going to get apart from I'm bragging rights. So for you keeper, who's that one player? You must look out for this young man. On our new signing, so even Ulawa Bakhtar.
promoted.
Yeah, no, mina inkazi yami ngiyezwe ukuthi nihambe kakhulu nilapha mina ngilapha emuva udladla.
Ngipha
lapha udladla umkabadeni wona wami kabiyami uyena umjida okhuphula isandla ophakamisa isandla isandla umjida engicabanga ukuthi lapha yana kwi goalkeeper department inkabi yethu siyithanda Sipho China icompetition ebengenayo ebengenayo kodwa since udladla eveze lokho akuvezile ngepreseason ngicabanga kuzomenza nomsiphosi athi ukuphakamisa understand angeke sivume ukuthi kudeleleke uSipho China ngeperformance kaDladla usase number 1 goalkeeper wethu umsiphosi but njengamanje sesinayo into esiphilisayo singamabhakani ukuthi even engathi utholi injalo kusazodlala mfethu namagame amaningi maningi lamakhaphu okufanele siwa defend because kunento okufanele siyicacise ukuthi siyibhakaniya coming to this new season asizanga thina ukuzothatha sizodefenda kakhulu then bese siyathatha i1 into esizoyithatha ake ngithi i1 icup or itrophy esiyifunayo sifuna iCAF kuphela yezwa then lawa amanye asiwafuni siyawadefend awuyifuni into engakuwe you understand ukudefenda nokufuna kufani you understand into already sengakithi then esikufunayo iCAF. So what I'm trying to say ukuthi ama game maningi kakhulu, so that's why sinabadlali abaningi position A1 uyabona nje ukuthi maybe 4 5 or 3 you understand senzela kunama injury no refi phela bamelene nathi yezwa kunoduba baphula nayo samweka igaya you understand so kuthi nama injury. So into engayisho mfethu udladla uphushile uyena umjida ngimbhekile uthi hayi coming to this season umjida since ahleli engadlali uzoyithola ichance this time bese kuba umfana uPopo Popo Padima and nenamba engemuva seyiconfirmiwe unumber 38 so ngicabanga ukuthi inamba nje iyodwa umfana imenza kalali kulamalanga yoqala ukulala Saturday masiqeda kudila ngeMilford injalo nje lento.
Definitely the special shout out to Lala mfethu, you know. I'm disappointed because of course it's pre-season but that goal that he considered if we keep oyibonile goal like imshaya la yongithola la kumele abeke ibonda lakhe khona understand. So that it's just lapse of concentration, and I think it's good to at least do that like uphakamisa isandla because I won't lie if I was impressed ngodlala ngithola especially distribution wanthola kilele kezwa nguleft ohlolile mfethu yabona ukuthi nanoma singamfaka la endishini danda ngasifika akatatazeli
enakakhombisa ukurusa akakumbisa ibhenchi ngathi dala khona lapha yanophakamisa isandla ngathi uyo number 1 goalkeeper
exactly. And you know another thing is that every time uSipho makangene udlala uSipho yakhonsida uSipho yakhonsida
no bafethu life ifanele siqonde bafethu ukuthi yonke into inesikhathi sayo. Kunesikhathi lapho khona ufire isikhathi sakho uya cruiser nice but kunesikhathi lapho khona fanele kuphakama omunye what if seyisikhathi sikadlala
exactly
because njengoba ngisho ukuthi umsiphosi uachievile kuningi esikuthola ngumsiphosi
goalkeeper of the season
namanje simchithi usase unumber 1 goalkeeper wethu but akakujabulele naye ukuthi mangakenzeka ukuthi uphethwe iflu akadlali angeke siconsider amagoli sixakaxaka kudladla mfethu sino goalkeeper
and what is like competition brings the best out of people, you know, and I strongly believe that young I think naye makawona ukuthi udladla aphakamisa naye uzofuna ukuphakamisa
kodwa ke kwelinye side asingavumeli abalandeli befune manje ukuthi bemshisa isikhanda because bangamfaka kakhulu ipressure
ubani
yena uSipho you understand ngale yagolo uyishola akayiconsidile ubonile social media bese kwenzekalana uSipho this no bafethu yehlisana umoya
it's just pre-season
i-pre-season abadedela igazi abantu abadedela igazi ba relax uba bazoze bethusa ingane because la kumabhakaniya mfethu ibhakaniya seyithime yengane ngene primary ungene crash ayika ngeke uthole umuntu umlandeli amabhakaniya so ningasithuseli ingane abadedela igazi abalandeli abasebebadala kuzolunga nje yonke into izoba mnandi ezweni
No, definitely. And what I like about Usipho is that he has a strong character. He has a strong character, Coast. And I think he's a guy who does his research, and is he educated? Because I saw his game nyana, I wanna game nyana tsinga like Michael Morton.
Oh yeah.
Amotsa ka bo di clean sheet le bo ding, and he has a good memory. I wanna how many shots have I faced? Who scored this goal on this day? So he seems like a guy who has a story. I don't think he'll be shaken by these small things. And PSL awards in Danga. Let's jump into them. That thing in fact too.
Ama Pirates Awards.
No, PSL.
Pirates.
Pirates.
PSL Awards.
Pirates Awards in Danga.
Oh, yeah.
That thing goes to fit. Those things are online in Danga. I got disappointed.
It's not
It was
AI.
bad.
It's them.
Shuti baba chelile beforehand ukuthi
This is the winner.
this is the winner wantsola, or either ba itse kaofela ba shaya speech is or ke di winner, and then they'll find out on the day.
No, they told them.
They told them beforehand.
Yeah. So my question is, ubabonile like if umuntu winile uyakhuluma, yini uye lo yamuntu lo yawo bavese bashaya isudu babeka ikhanda lakhe. That's what I just want to understand. Because it's like,
babizele studio ba shoot.
Is it?
I think so, because I think like yeah.
AI makes
babeka ikhanda nje.
Ayindanga ngibona ngathi babeka
Yeah,
ikhanda.
because I wanna ntsotsa le rele ndana, we know really busy gara fit already sidikadile di president ya bona le identity. Where is
Never,
the time ya ra zokale ka yini, and I fly back onto.
Sure.
AI makes people lazy. If it's AI,
Like, why can't you just call on busy, keep in one room?
Sure.
Ngithola wenza ama awards like ngithola kube into ephelayo, unlike mfethu ribona Thomas Mlambo. Come
It was
on,
bad.
dog. Come on, dog. You can't be focusing on the presenter.
No, yabona inkabi zami kulesi ikhulumayo eyona iyadida there and there, but kuyafana akekho ungasiphendula ungasinikeza i-answer eyiyo, yang understand, because nami ngike ngaba ne-question ethi okay urile uphi akekho, bengitshetha akekho, bengi-expect ukuthi bazomthathela izinto zakhe. Okay, mangithi qa nali okay umbokazi akekho,
Nkosi nathi Sibiso uyamthathela.
nangu Sibiso uyamthathela. So lento eyibona manje yashayisana.
Yeah.
If umbokazi bamthathele, why bangamthathelanga umfukeni?
Yes.
If usithi umfukeni bamenzeke AI wakhulumele, why umbokazi bangamkhulumisanga AI le? So that is why ngithi lento masoya ngayo, hayi bafethu singakhuluma kuze kushaye u6 wasekuseni. Izosilimaza lento.
You have access to this. You can call them and ask them. Nama number wabo super sport. Ungabafonela nje wawuza kahle niwenza kanjani ama
Ubani nama number? Yekabi, emfethu wake mzana. Mina angisiye lo mlandeli webhola oclaimayo. You understand? I seek spirit engizonda njenge spirit sokclaima. Uclaima uyinto ethile, into ngesiyo. Ya ngoba manje semele ngiqhaphaza South Africa ngithi nginama number Jordan, nginama number bafethu, hayi into enjengaleyo angikho nje lapha, ngazi nje lutho. So abantu abanalento yoclaim mfethu, hayi just because hayi nginama followers awu 10,000 nyana sengiqamba amanga manje, hayi oba ngibona, hayi bafethu akuclaim into emangasiya ngisiyo, nix nje kwasafa ngaziwa.
Passport next nambanyana konjubani lo girl lo ipresenter lo.
Yeah, sengenye mase sokhuluma nge-fan base
abothathu laba mfethu angithi ba-organize lama awards.
Yeah, but nanoma ngathiwa mhlambe ke uyabazi nenamba yabo, angeke uvele uqhambukele endabeni engaqondene nawo azikufuni indaba kuyafuneka mfethu uma ungumjiti ube organized ungabifani nezeze ube all over yazi ulayini wakho ongamelanga ujampe ungumuntu uphila kufanele udwebele ulayini ukuthi okay la ngijampi la you understand kuthi sengizosuka nje manje ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi isafa kanjani lo win isuba ezinto ziyeke right ungasazi
awungenda
so I'll just quickly run through the winners on a 2025-2026 PSL Awards. So footballer of the season. Oh, should we start with football? No, well, let's start with the PSL Chairman's Award. They gave it to Jaden Adams. And what's this Chairman's Award in Ghana?
The chairman's decider. I don't know. Maybe the chairman's vote who's their play. I don't know.
I'm not sure.
So they gave it to Jaden Adams. I don't know if it.
Ay nama ngiyazi but ke ngicabanga ukuthi iyafika iyaqala ukuba khona ikuyaba khona last Chairman's Award. If iyaqala ake siyibheke kuma award alandelayo elisicela uNkulunkulu ukuthi ingabikho oshonayo umdlalo. You understand? Yeah, masifuna ukuyibona kahle sizoyibona kahle next kuma award alandelayo. But nje umthandazo wami ukuthi kungabikho umdlalo ozophazamiseka ehambe because le for me akusiyo iaward Aisha angazi ibe kanjani but nje ake ngithi nakhona akuvotwa kubuka isimo iaward ye situation le you understand ukubethwa kade mhlambe angaphazamisekanga umfethu Adams bezoya kubani bekuzobe kubhekweni yabona so nayo futhi le ingenye yezinto okufanele sihoxe kuyo nayo sizoba nama question esingesikhona ukwaphendula otherwise ukhipha amaphepha ngekho.
Condolences to his family, man. And I saw amanye supporter were there, the likes of Abu Mr. Mudau, you know. I think it was a memorial service of some sort, but Peter McCanley. Namanya mapagani I think that's a good sportsmanship. PSL referee of the season. Eugene Mdluli, Mr. Mlambo.
I think we spoke kakhulu Eugene Mdluli. Konje mekuba lo munye abongile Tom naye. I thought ikuzowina yena. But I think na Eugene Mdluli nala studio mega semlomeni wethu. I think this was coming, you understand. I think it's well deserved. I don't know how they check like for Aborev awards akhona because if you can check thina check kakhulu Aborev ukuthi ureferee yenzani kanjani. But yeah, congrats kuye.
Congrats to Eugene Mdluli Ghost. I think if it's like the bar is so low that you cannot give it to anyone, they'll take it. You know?
Yeah.
I only
There's
trust
not much
that.
to argue.
There's not much to argue until Abungile Tom to I think he get another best referee that we have until.
But I think both of them went to the World Cup, ne? Eugene no Abungile.
I'm not sure about Eugene. I know Abungile.
Yeah, but two
and
of the
you
South
see
Africans.
they were protesting that they were not given enough game time. Yeah. So yeah, congratulations to Eugene Mdluli, assistant referee of the season, Nandi Pa Menz as well. Congratulations to him. And then
it's not her.
It's her.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Congratulations to her. DSTV Diski Challenge Player of the Season, Bennett Mokoena, Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yo, I was rooting for Popo there.
And then I was rooting for Popo.
Yeah, but when it did see a cool man peg a McLaren Pirate to tell the truth, man.
Yeah.
But when I saw like a clips at Intonale, thing na is good, and I don't know how they check this thing and so on.
Yeah.
But now, boy, congrats. I think in the future grand design.
Is he not the leading goal scorer that side? I think
He is.
Yeah.
He won two things.
Yeah.
I'm sure we do funu Paul and
Yeah. Anga venga ipeki kakhulu iDC Sundowns.
That's him.
Yeah. Motsepe Foundation champions young player of the season Gabriel Amato, Cape Town City. Motsepe Foundation championship goalkeeper of the season Mickey van der Hart, Cape Town City. Cape Town City were whipping these awards. Motsepe Foundation Championship Player of the Season, Emil Whitboy, Cape Town City.
Our
Starboy.
player.
Starboy. How much is his market value?
18 million.
18 million.
Our player.
Imagine, 18 million. I
I
was telling Ghost, you should wait for his contract to run out. Some shasha and don't renew. He'll take you on a free. Congratulations to him as well. Nedbank Cup Player of the Tournament, Darren Kidd, Devon City. Nedbank Cup Promising Player of the Tournament, Siluleko Mahlambi, TS Galaxy. Congratulations to him. Calling Knockout Player of the Tournament, Mbegezeni Mboga.
ngiyazi ufuna ukuphawula unkaba uthi ngimnike.
Ikangemuva, ikangaphambili. Ikangaphambili,
Akuqala nje singathi congratulations to our TLB.
Yeah.
Engasamelanga iPirates kuphela la ikhona ese represent umzansi wonke.
Kakufaya.
Kakhulu kithi siwu KZN, siwuZulu. Awuhlangene uZulu ngabafethu sithi hlangana Zulu. Yeah, so I'm happy for him. No man, into fireman bathi lithi iBhayibheli yonke into inesikhathi sayo. Umjida mfethu isikhathi sakhe uTLB and uyayideserve. We understand. Yeah, uphushile umjida. Uphushile umjida and uyabona makuthiwa impela okuhle nomusa kuyakulandela. Ziyamlandela izinto umjida. Ule but ziyamlandela. Yeah, and uyisebenzele and akunakho ukuthi wenzele ifavor. Bekufanele mfethu. Yeah, Nedbank ikhaling ne?
Khaling, yeah.
Yeah, pushile umjida.
Pushile
mfethu. Le ntuthu yegoli ushaye kuyikhaling. Khona igoli elibiye lingozi kakhulu akashaya kuswelele eseceni kwesenta. Yeah, and I think sawina ngawo 1-0 lo. Umdlalo siyophela mfethu kukube esigodini. Ufana washintsha lento mfethu hayi kwavela kwamnandi ezweni. So umjida into engisho hayi siyambongela umjida.
Ngambongela mfethu.
And I saw that he's injured now, yes. Igari is injured right now.
Yeah. He's injured. And then that was right. Initially it was reported or he had a back injury.
Yeah.
Apparently it's not a back injury. I think it's a muscle on his thigh.
Yeah.
So speedy recovery to him. But I think the award is well deserved, Mr. Mlambo.
Yeah, mikazothatha konke kube meka khona.
Yeah. And then MTN 8 last man standing, Tshepang Moremi, Mr. Mlambo. Yeah.
Ndanga Sothini. Phela uTshepang Moremi was introduced to Amabhakania and to South Africa in MTN 8. Didn't start the season well. They were bashing him, booing him. MTN 8. Waphakamisa isandla scoring crucial goals, especially ku final scored 2 goals and an assist. Yangithola naleya combination yakhe no Police proved ukuthi into esebenzayo. I think he deserved it.
Yeah. I think Moremi is hungry, and I think I'm gonna make an early prediction. I think he's going to be our leading goal scorer, Tshepang Moremi.
He can be.
He's hungry.
He has potential.
They fail game as a shooter.
Yeah, but then it's like that. Yeah.
Once all he tries, and he's always in and around there. And then nice energy, that boy can run for days, dog. Once all it happen to Wamaka. Wapresa onto like ungadirani mfethu engineer Tshepang Moremi ndana
no, he's one of those players another police. I'm looking at them or they'll raise their hands. But in terms of leading goal scorer, for me it's Sebastian.
Yeah.
When he comes there, he was also demand the penalties. Give me penalty. Give me penalty.
Non-negotiable.
Yeah. The keeper, Tshepang Moremi.
Umnandi kakhulu Tshepang. Yeah. So singambala vele kubantu esibabhekile lapha emagolini kubhakania. Uye ulo Apolice.
Apolice, yeah.
Bese sekuba ilengwenya le. ngiyamtshela hayi nami lapha ngiyathemba lapha ngiyathemba kodwa nje yena umremi hayi mfethu lokhu ama-award usazokucollect kuhle kakhulu unespeed uyakhahlela washo u-TLB kwi-Bucks camp le wathi lo yamjida uyakhahlela and uyakholela ekukhahleleni because sometimes sidlala sifuna size hayi akafune 18 man utheze ngene phansi kwepala uyakhahlela le manje ya ngimthandela lokho nje uyathemba unyawo lwakho luhle kakhulu
and yazi mina abuthi bangazi ngibathandelani mfethu there won't be any notes ukuthi must go overseas you see he's gonna play for the longest of time I'm going in it's all like that I want abuthi banga abo talent mbatha no mfethu going to be a club legend
no what I like abafana bethu fireman ngathini sino chairman ogcine ewubaba kubo you understand because kukhona ukuthi umfana athathwe nje igwebu abone oyamali ngale sefuna ukuyoba joyina kanti isikhathi asikafiki uchairman wethu ngicabanga ukuthi ugood iPirates management igood ukucheck umfana okay uyadlala yena bayampraise abantu kodwa masimbheka kahle akakabi right isikhathi asikafiki isikhathi esibathi ngajump ngicabanga nabo mbatha nothi ukuthi ayikho team akangafitha kuyo ikhona but akufike kahle isikhathi
is a profile le ukuthi like people don't get too excited to say a policy I know ukuthi once he has a good season people will start saying a policy must go we're going to lose him at some point yabona
no kusafanele njengamanje abakwazi ukuhamba wapolicy kusafuneka istar sesibili ngenkani before behamba yabona ngithande kwi-Bucks camp le part 4 ukhaze kahle umfukeng ukuthi bafethu sike safika isikhathi bahlala phansi no-chairman kwathiwa mfethu nansi indaba chairman akungidedele ngithatha iligi kuqala mangiqeda ukuthatha iligi sengiyanishiya ke ningamabhakaneni wakwenza kwenzeka umfana yasithwala umfana so njalo nje sometimes abafana bafunda ukulinda
bengibukele like ama highlights only Pirates ngithola last season ngalesikhathi isithathe league ngithola all the goals ngithola from the very first goal up until the last goal and Vitorele was pretty much involved in everything. This is not an assist, it's a goal. If it's not a goal, it's a semi-assist. Like one way or another, he had some, something to say about any goal. Okay, telling few of them didn't miss it. And I'm thinking to myself, all of it going to next season, are you going to miss his impact? You're going to talk.
You will have a different dimension, Skawar.
There'll
be Tito, there'll be a police, there'll be Mremi, there'll be Sebastian.
There'll be Popo.
And then Betway Premiership Young Player of the Season, Relebohile Mufokeng Ghost.
I think Leo noma kube bakaya ezinye intwana sekuyihotman urile but because age I think he qualifies because they check under 21 I think or under 23 so he still qualifies and obviously no one is gonna beat him if it is the best, so he deserves it
in the country by far. Mr. Mlamo.
Le ikhulunywa mfethu. Zonke izinto azithathile. I think urile mfethu deserved it. Worked hard for them. Didn't start the season well. There were rumors ukuthi akajabulanga, uyangithola ukuthi uhambile. Because I think as fans sometimes we speak about things which we do not know. Then we find them after ukuthi how. Uyasho umfana ukuthi meyakhona ama offers but he didn't want to go. Because he wanted the league. But Sinama fan, we always
and that's a good one.
We see what we see on the screen. Then things will say, hey, why you banna enter so? And I do not know what's happening behind the scene. I think
and sometimes with this journalism, because what do you call them? I'm a journalist or ends I'm a fake news and that. I saw even that Mickey Mangia go Twitter.
Mickey
Junior fit. That guy, you know that guy what he said, Mr. Mlam?
No.
He said Coach Wadu had internal talks with Al Ahly, there's something happening. And then Paris took that tweet and said, false news. I'm telling you. So tweet with that guy is hated. Once he tweets something and say, fake news. I'm telling you.
But he's been doing that for a long time. Eh?
Yeah.
It's not
strategy.
That's how he farms engagements.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then he has a huge following of it.
Yeah,
I think he must be more responsible with his account of it.
Yeah, he masquerades as a journalist.
And you know what's the thing? Coming to what Mr. Mlambo is saying, or no, it's rumored it's a really one really is unhappy, one coach is gone and whatnot, he wants to leave. Understand that motion, but they don't know. They just hear it from the edge. Really is not happy. Look at Really, he's not celebrating one all.
Yeah.
And sometimes it gets to players telling you. One all, so you question, am I happy? Am I not? So sometimes these guys are not. And then we go to Betway Premiership midfielder of the season, also in Apolis in Gaviam. Midfielder of the season. Yeah. And I was happy ukuthi at least also got something.
Yeah, naye bekufanele aphume na something kumjida. Noma ke abantu abaningi abanye babo abantu bana question mark ukuthi why bayamkhipha kwi-midfield. Abantu abaningi bengichecka nje abantu abaningi hayi bekufanele iye kuphi kodwa ke sothi siyambongela umjida. Udlalaphi kanti?
Udlalaphi?
Udlalaphi? Just ukuthi nje isono sakho ukuthi ungumjida ophithizelayo ephinde kora.
Yeah.
Okusho ukuthi njengoba kuposition akakuyo mayengaphindi mangathi ushaya amagoli kube ushaya amagoli awu20 sekuthi uyavela futhi as a goal scorer, top goal scorer. Bebezo complain ukuthi why abe top goal scorer kodwa engasoli strike. So uyadeserve umjida, yeah, so into engayisho nje mina ukuthi ongekho right nge-award ethole umfana uApolis akavela bewese akavela bewese mfethu ageze ngopetrol asule ngometshisi asizukuzwa ngayo.
Midfielder of the season, Mr. Mlambo, also in Apolis.
Well deserved. I think yena no really maybe bahamba head to head, but we really like had still upper hand. But I think Apolis night deserve to win. Midfield of the season ntanga mekangekho omunye mekazoyithatha. That guy when really angekho njengoba ngishilo mangiqala. When the season started, Relay was not there. Yangithola washaya na injury waba out. Apolis wasithwala mfethu. First season yakhe wasithwala Apolis na kune involvement akayishayile squadini. I think I deserve.
Yeah, well deserved. Moving on to defender of the season, Mr. Mlambo.
Bathini yiphi imoto ngikhumbuze there was this pakanisa ke sa interviewer wathi uyibona nje yini wamdefine like njengemoto ukuthi ngathi Rolls Royce or something. I'm not sure. You don't remember that?
I don't remember that one.
This guy. Yeah, but I think ulibone siyama mfethu has proven ukuthi umbokazi akekho. Mina lesi sikhathi sami unkabushilo masiqala uNkulunkulu masekuphila isikhathi sakho ntanga there is no one ozoyivimba. And I think CM I think he is having the same story njengo Sipho if I'm mistaken. When we bought him nabo Talent Embatha they are not playing kakhulu in their original teams but mabefika ku Pirates a big brand ntanga a big branch yangithola labantu laba bayenza ezinye izinto libone CM mfethu scored crucial goals. Is also a reason why we won the league. There was this game, I think we drew with Richards Bay. Kumbula le 2-2.
2-2.
La yenza iphutha then abuya rectify. And I think he has grown kakhulu kule season esiphuma kuye. Yeah, well deserved.
Judging from where abuya khona, I remember I used to have those small mistakes.
Scar. Especially me. Yeah.
Exactly. Me as well. And then he rectified it. Started to having huge impact on the game. I think as well once Mbogazi left makungena ubhodlela naye wangena naye ngama era wakhe and then he had to man up to say I need to take a responsibility of this partnership.
Yeah,
and then he grew from the first game to now.
And big up to Bodlela, funny enough. Lot of fans we were saying I Bodlela, they say school, but Bodlela was nominated for Defender of the Season. That's also an achievement. But he was nominated. That means there is some impact. I understand. I think overall our defense was good, but Libone CM mega hamba one.
Definitely. And I like that is a ball playing defender. It's not someone who's going to just launch. And then moving on to the Betway Premiership goal of the season, Cameron Tansen goal.
Yeah. We shall be deserved. I think deserved.
Can't
complain.
Have you seen a goal better than that one? But let's be honest.
Weaker foot then.
Sasesontweni.
Bekangekho fire ngithi.
Kuyakhuphula rona ngikho
Igoli leliyana baba. And imali nganominate futhi next season.
Lithathe.
Igoli leliyana baba. Igoli leliyana futhi. Uyabona umuntu o understanda kahle. Uyiwala eSouth Africa ongambuzi mfethu uthina le goli. uRonwen umjito ozokutshela ngaliyana ukuthi igoli leliyana lideserve just into ebhlungu ukuthi likhompithwa negoli lo makhelwane lele mina ngisabi phela lele linye legoli okuthiwa bekufanele kube yilo instead kwa egolini lika Denson iphutha iphutha umjita ezama wahluleka umjita ucontrol ibhola lona la understand lange akusiyi ukuthi mawungambona naye mangumqumbuze mfethu wawukora lapho wayengakoni nje jazi unjani bathanda mfethu sikhuluma izinto ezimoshelana isikhathi umuntu wayekora ngempela Denson wayekora washayela iningi into yaphezulu mfethu kwavela kwamnandi ezweni
I thought like beautiful one Mr. Blambo and I remember that game we were frustrated because I remember Denson wasn't playing and then Coach AP decided to call him from the stands to say Denson come and play and before that goal Sundowns were all over us and already they were leading 1-0 up and then that guy from a corner just decided to close his eyes. Mr. Mlambo shiny bang and daughter like wow
boys to men. That's what makes a boy to be a man. Because that goal mfethu I think kunabanye abantu bebangamazi uDancing uyangithola but lela goal lenza ukuthi abantu bamazi and ikhiphu ibeke kamnandi asonke salibukela ibhola sike ngiqamba manga le across leya angeke siyicompare negoli la Dancing and the magnitude of the game also I think they also check that uyangithola tanga technically Dancing mfethu on the volley left intanga hala kahla andapa ubani mfethu ngathi linye igoli libetha kunaleliya alikho.
There's no way. Betway Premiership coach of the season Abdeslam Wadu Ghost.
That there was no competition there, it was obvious. It was straightforward.
Umbuzo omile nje ezweni uize plumber uyabona bathi ukukhuluma nokwenza akufani nokujaja incwadi ngecover ungayenzi leyo nto umjita mfethu masikhuluma iqiniso our coach my coach isizini yakhe yokuqala wathatha ama trophy awu 3 asikubali lokho kunye kwekhaling wathwathi lokho asikubali lokho sibala nje lawa semazingeni wathatha 3 mfethu umjita ocriticizewe within 2 games kwathiwa hayi akahambe basho yonke into wabekezela mfethu umjita wabekezela umjita sila singamafan khona nye ivoice note ephumile kule bugs part 4 khona ivoice note ngazi ivoice note bekuyicall le yani ikhala yankabi ithi coach ungadlali ngathi coach iPirates ayisima room iPirates ayisi wathwala beyithola kanzima mfethu le yankabi yethu lo coach wethu ebethole kanzima mfethu ingakho khona la igame ileague masizophela ebekhuluma indaba ukuthi ufuna ukuphumula ukhathele you understand no yini besifikile mfethu simfune ehambile yeah but from lapho waphuma nama trophy ungakhe awu3 kulama trophy awu3 lapha sibala ileague ebese kuthi sidonse boma 14 years 14 season singayitholi wabuya nayiphila umjida kumanje siyahlonishwa ezweni ngale out so ubani ngomunye ubungamnikeza icoach of the season akekho mfethu yeah so uyayideserve umjida siyambonga sithi coach Wadu siyabonga mfethu senza abantu mfethu we are proud of you we are happy mfethu siyabonga sithi thank you mude bathi lude lukuthola ufa ludumutshe ngiseni hayi giraffe yethu ezweni
that's what keep of it. I mean, there was no competition. There was clear. He was alone there. Three cups in one season. Ghost, how dare you, dog? Like 3 cups, dog. Yeah.
3 or 4.
One season, dog. Like, wow. Like this generation of players, Nale keeper this season keeper. This is free, treble the champions. Iconic, Mr. Mlam.
Yeah, I think I was one of the guy who was saying he's not a good coach or what, but like I just want to speak this, Ntang. In the Bucks recap or recamp, Bucks camp, is fun this isn't behind the scene because we quick to judge without knowing the full story. I think Bucks camp, it's only say how passionate the guy is about it is because there are a lot of instances lapho megafuna ukuphuma dressing room and akuseya kaWadu kuphela le coach of the season ihamba ne-assistants yakhe. I think uMandla Ncikazi, I think time mfethu was born to do this role lekayenzayo because isicima mlilo and umsebenzi wakhe Ntanga ngiyakutshela
what you an assistant
no yazi Ntanga it can be this
promotion
it can be this maybe ufire i-host la ku Pirate Fans TV Mr. Mlamhlala seduze kwakhe Mr. Mlambo naye maybe uyafuna kuba host maka no lento yakafire uyangunderstand uNkulunkulu ugaye wena mina I'm good at this thing. Maybe if I can go there, angeke ngibe good. You understand? For me, I think uMandla Ncikazi, yes, isikhathi masamba angaba ucoach. But for me, whatever he's doing as an assistant, because previously was a coach as Golden Arrows, you understand? But check the achievement akabe nayo. Then maseke by assistant ku Pirates when there was our first coach Konjubani Uriviro.
Yeah,
who was a good assistant. You understand? Coach Wadu uyafika is a good assistant. I think the coach of the season naye ngiyamfaka la in the management of Pirates. Google coach of the season.
Shout out to him, and I think he has that thing, as you say, of calming the situation down and so on. And I like the fact that Orlena obviously knows the culture and so
of South Africa.
Yes, of South Africa and the Orlando team, Pirates. Sure. And so like, cause foreign coaches, they will come here and they won't understand some of the things. So why are you guys banning eggs and putting them there? Why are you banning this thing? Sure. So someone like Mandla can say, no, this is our tradition. This is what we do until like before the game. So shout out to him and other management team there. And then I'll just sum up these ones: Footballer of the Season and the Betway Premiership Player of the Season. Really William Mufokeng, I think we spoke a lot about really.
Yeah, no, I think we gave him his flowers and fit, well deserved and fit. Yeah, not a lot more to add.
Yeah, really Mufokeng and fit. He carried this team, he carried this giant team, and so. I think awards, we are done with awards. We can move on to the launch of our store, Midrand. Orlando Pirates shop. Beekeeper was there. Maybe he can tell us a bit more about it because he got the exclusive invitation. Keeper. Sinjani stolo keeper.
Aye. Into esingayisho sibonile impela into yenzeke ngicabanga izolo.
Yeah, izolo, yeah.
Yeah, izolo lapha bathi Mall of Africa. yeah Mall of Africa
Mall of Africa yes.
Yeah kune shop ePirates lapha enhle kakhulu ibhaliwe nokuthi ezimnyama ngenkani opposite nestudio 88 hayi mfethu kuhle lapha
because I saw kunamanye ama-angle wecamera yangithola I think from inside out ngiyabona istudio 88 ngiyazibuza ukuthi what's it it's outside ngicabanga ukuthi it's a partnership of some sort
umakhelwane istudio 88 isibukene nje kanje
okay
yeah so mawazi istudio 88 that mean ne Pirates shop yayazi so bekukuhle kakhulu mfethu umsebenzi yabona ukuthi ubeka into yakho eplanwe kahle ehlelwe kahle yeah so engakusho ukuthi at least siyakhula siqembu because si umndeni omude i-minute ne-minute kunomlandeli omusho ojoinayo le family so kufanele si-expand because angeke ishop eyodwa ikhave abalandeli bePirates because bagcwele umhlaba wonke so uma sine shop eOrlando sine shop eMidrand soba ne shop futhi ko Durban ko Cape Town lento izokwenza ukuthi isidwedwe sebhakaniya sisabalale because isithime egqoka kahle yeah sithime egqoka kahle so ngizubhlungu makukhala umuntu ose Cape Town ose Durban ethi beekeeper ngibona ugqoke kahle iskipe so ngasithola kanjani uthola ukuthi kufanele ngimnika idirection eOrlando lo muntu use Cape Town mfethu so siyabonga uchairman wethu njengoba ngisho ukuthi uchairman wethu uyasikhathalela yindoda leyana mfethu inobuntu yama uyibuka eduzane mawusekudeni ungasho noma yini angithi awazi sondele eduzane uzobothi umuntu nje and kuye singabantwana bakhe usitreata ngokufana yeah ngize kwipoint ye invitation ngizwela uyithinta ngiye ngithande mina mfethu ukucacisa ukuthi ukinvitewa as like njengami mangi-invitiwe kwamanye wama-event ePirates akusho ukuthi ngibhetha or ngimqoka ungidlula abanye abantu uyangandastand leyo nto leyo kimi ngithatha njenge-grace umusa umusa kaNkulunkulu mfethu uyathanda vele ukucaphuna umuntu ongadeserve kimi umusa akusho ukuthi ngcono kunawe iPirates mfethu sibaningi angeke si-invitwe sonke yandawo ibincane nezitulo zakhona bezibengeke khona ukusithwala sonke then umusa ke kwayiwo uthi cha angithatha ughost ngithatha ufire ngithathe nebeekeeper uyangandastand kodwa lokho angenzi kube khona odelelekayo ngokuthi akezanga or akabanga khona kufana neskipa mawungena skipa sePirates akusho ukuthi awuyifavor njengathi sinekipa iskipa sisho ukuthi ufavor ngoba uneskipa usubhethe kunomuntu ongenaso ayisho lutho leyato so ngiyasho mabhakaniya nonke nikhona wena ongakhonanga ukufika izolo usase iphathi yefamily and ubaluleke ungidlula thina besikhona because ukuba khona kwakho la ukhona khona okwenzayo uyayizwa indaba
beautiful store like these guys are organized all Pirates ndanga yo like if you can see everything is planned and so far like it's going according to plan until like that and if it like we set trends you'll see others will come of course they tried previously they failed until to open their stores until like but now that the way like replacing that thing until they'll see they're going to until what from outside they're going to want to jump until like that and sometimes they won't know because sometimes Pirates don't it's like a demand in because they see both Studio 80 both Total Sports they're always out of stock they're trying to mitigate that and try to be creative other teams will come without doing research and then their stock will be left there on the shelves for months and months so overall on that store and the launching
no, fantastic, and I think Beekeeper summed it up nicely. We must just go visit the store and see and experience the Mall of Africa branch, and then maybe stop at Topes, one with Tamasogi is Beekeeper. Maybe you stop and fit.
Engakusho mina ikabzama ukuthi amandla ethu singabantu abafani. Uma sise stadium usukungazi ukuthi mina imali ngiyithathaphi nomunye uyithathaphi so umuntu nomuntu akayikali akucompetwa uma wena kule season afford ukuthenga only cap thatha cap uneliseke ngecap ungathi ngibona ofire begqoke besuke nayo lento relax atedeligas ingakho ngingafuni ukuthi nonotho ecindezelo ongenanex because amandla ethu awalingani mfethu namhlanje isizini yami esaza isizini yomunye so fika isikhathi inkabi yami nawe uzofika lapha yana mase kufika isikhathi futhi sokuthi uthathe sonke lesidwedwe uyobuya nesiphila mfethu uthatha sonke but into engisho mabhakane yami tetelani igazi yonke into inesikhathi thatha ikepisi ubonga ikepisi uNkulunkulu akuphelona okunye uzofika ngokuhamba kwesikhathi
thatha ikepisi ku that's abasokisi
thatha ipasi
thatha amasokisi Mr. Mlaba ungawari
yeah I think intango Nkabu ibeka mnandi and uyemeka lapha thina mesingekho okuningi esizokusho but I think iOrlando Pirates iculture there's no one osimeshayo ntanga apart from football the lifestyle ntanga the innovative like esinayo like as a team on another level siqale ngetrend yama Bucks camp showing abantu ukuthi they are bringing iPirate closer now store I think intanga this thing was planned maybe even last season we do not know dala by planning I think the team is moving so well.
Beautiful. We'll be there tomorrow to pick up amasokisi nyana mabhakane and show you some of the exclusive shots because obviously when you go there we go with our professional photographers we're gonna get the exclusive shots and so like so that they see the one tour like the changing room the changing room they wanna meet the manager and have a quick 5 seconds interview with the manager
and enye into engiyifind out izolo lapha inkabi zami angazi ukuthi isaqhubeka yini but engiyifind out izolo ukuthi uCash abawuthathe so njengoba nithi niyakhona kusasa angazi ukuthi isaqhubeka kanjalo yini but uCash abawuthathi party card baba you understand and enye into kufanele sichushise ngayo abantu because mina ngibigipha labantu ngumuntu wabantu ngile fan efinyelelekayo you understand wonke umuntu uyakhona ukufika kimi angina password uyayizela nje kimi ukhulume lokho ufuna ukukhuluma sixoxe eze Bucks family you understand so nginabantu abaningi abangifonelayo hey sithola kanjani izinto zePirates abanye ngiyazama ukubaphendula abanye banembuzo engaphekwami but nje ngizama ukuphendula kulaba kunabantu abaningi abakhuluma indaba ya online bafowethu lapha kwa online angisho ukuthi ningathengani online but nibe careful kunezigame too much baningi abantu abakhala ngokuthi bathenga izinto kwiPirates shop via online but abayitholi imali ihambile so double checkani bafethu and angazi nami futhi ukuthi nizobona kanjani ukuthi yiyo akusiyo mhlambe makhono wePirates osimamele njengamanje akasicacisele lapho ukuthi lapha kwi-online iscam sisibona kanjani ukuthi iscam lesi or akusiso because abantu abaningi bayakhala mfethu bathengile impahla but ideliver ayikho imali ayikho yezwa kuno clever lapha eMzansi
bakhona abaningi ndoda abanye umsebenzi wabo bavuke ekseni ngo8 ndoda
baba
abacala abasebenze kanje bayochasa
baba ethi nguxoxela indaba ongayibuzanga nkabi yami uxoxela indaba ongayibuzanga mina njenge beekeeper angithi yazi ukuthi inyosi zami iproduce ihani ngitayisihani boma last of last week kufike ingwenya lapha kimi zangifonela zathi ifuna ihani imali ethile you understand ba organizer iCourier guy yafika eplazini kimi bayi organizer bona yeza uCourier guy wangena wezwa ngamnikeza ihani lo ongifonelayo wathi ngimsendele ibank account ngamnika ibank account baba wa fake iproof of payment engene ngeyini PDF kwi WhatsApp mayiqeda ngena kwabe ngena imessage le message eqhamuka ebank ethi usibanibani ukusendele imali ethile from Standard Bank to your FNB lezi zinto ziyafakazelana proof of payment i-message from a bank ngamdedela wahamba after 2 hours kwafona omunye futhi wathi ngizwa kuthi udayisana ngathi yebo vele into zami wathi ngayithola ihani yemali so ngathi ayikhululeka ikhona wathi manje ngihlale ekudeni ngakho ngizo-organizer i-transport ngathi akunankinga wenza the same kwafika enye imoto futhi yathatha ihani same thing from African Bank to my FNB proof of payment nansi, message nansi, zifakwe zonke lezi zinto. Yahamba kanjalo hani yami.
Ngitshela ukuthi khona abantu professional angithola
mfethu ngabavuma laba abantu namanje ngisabavuma ya professor bashaya ibhikipa mfethu ibhikipa mfethu into efaka isandla enyusini bangishaya ezweni ngasho ngathi yabona ke lapha and akusimi ngiyi1 baphelile abantu
baphelile
ya yingakho kufanele sithi sikhuluma ngebhola siphinde sichushisane nange-life ukuthi uma udayisa something nanoma udayisa imoto ungadayiseli umuntu umnika iproduct yakho imali ingaka reflect to your account so ngicabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu owenza ukuthi kunokheke mina since ngiphila nabantu so lethi lento ngizoyibhodla ngiyikhulume khona umuntu kusasa mhlambe beyitshela ukuthi kusasa uyobhada uyodayisa imoto yakhe yahamba be careful ayikho into abangayifake bangifakele lezi zinto after le no basikhuluma ngizonibonisa ukuthi nasi izinto just ukuthi imali yakho ngeke ngisho ukuthi but baba banginokhile
imali eninzi sure because obviously
banginokhile baba
ngithola uzofuna ukuthi crazy amount so that I'm gonna send you this thing and uzoyenza ngathi show
ngalela langa mfethu ngalela langa ngayitshe we understand ukuthi kufike umuntu athathe ihani yemali ethile after 2 hours kufika ngayitshe ethi uNkulunkulu namhlanje ula place ngathi yabona uNkulunkulu ula kanti hayi kuphi khona
shy
siyapha
ara uzobathandazela ngabi yami ungawari babe right empilweni baye ukuscam abantu Bucks Camp Mr Mlambo quick one have been going on forever Bucks Camp top ne top shout out again to management mfethu just for 2 seconds mfethu that Bucks Camp mfethu it will show you the importance of Mpumi Khoza Kipalami mfethu that guy but we'll get a session one day simphawule kahle yabona just to close up I want to quickly touch on our transfer outgoings ngithola and then you can maybe pick 1 or 2 there players that are gone it's Relebule Mufokeng went to Royal Union Saint Gilois Sipombule went to Zako SC Mariko just went to Ovid College so Fatso Mabasa went on a free Tabiso Sesani went to Siwelele Tabiso Libitso went to Stellenbosch Bandile Shandu Devon City Gilberto and Kumvudi Agon Siyabonga Ndlozi Sikhukhune Seth Green our DDC player went to Devon City Goodman Mosele is gone as well Melisu Buthelezi went to Sikhukhune Silelo Rasebocha Siwelele Khumule Mokotso Sikhukhune Sinobo Khumalo Midlands Blessing Gita Midlands Jabulani Mokone loan Mr Mlambo so many outgoings it's scary ne
mina ngithuki
yo man
because okhambayo kuyabuya
like very new reshuffle like master chef mfethu
if it Nigeria did you see the list of our current squad we have like 40 something players
you see
so imagine we have to select an 18-man squad every week
so mina ngithuki
how many players are not gonna get to the match day squad don't look at benching at this season
but when you really think about it players elungor divile from our starting 11 I think it's really Mbogazi
Mbogazi mara it's been long
even that space is filled so it's really
sure
so it's not really much of a reshuffle
sure
and then transfer incomings Neo Rapo Siwelele Sebastian Peterson Bohale Ngwato Siwelele Kampani Lungu Siwelele Matume Mulai Aphiwe Paliti Siwelele Mthetheli Mthinya Sibangani Zulu Richards Bay DDC Collapse Mpopa Dime Popo Christian Derbyshire and Simphiwe Masilela. So do you think these DDC players, do you think some of them are going back to DDC? Because sometimes they do.
Yeah, maybe if they do not have a game time, like uSlepe, usakhumula last season mekangadlala kubo, but since afitha njengoba mesimdinga for le game yeSundowns bamdonsa yangithola. Maybe I think when they want to give them game time, if abathola isikhathi ngapha, I think they can do that.
They can, but they want to register them the side.
Yeah.
And
I just want to touch on Masilela. That boy can hold the ball, like protect the ball, young tall. And I think naye noma singakhulumi naye kakhulu, I think naye uzosurprise abaningi. I think is Tito 2.0, but the faster vision for me. I think idanga udlala ibhola lasekasi lo yamfana lo ya. But ku professional hayi we should look up.
Ubani le yantanga u15?
Le u48. Le u48 ledla lesenza le mpethu. Le u48 uzoyibona sikhulu. Uyayibona le keep enkuluma ngayo.
Ya ngiyayibona kodwa phela amagama asilahlekela mfethu. Masilela. Ziningi intwana engicabanga ukuthi njoba nisho ukuthi especially laba abancane kumnandi if bane chance yokuthi baphinde futhi bawulula inyawo ku DDC. Yeah, because I scheme ku Pirates angeke usigarante. We understand. So abafana abanjengo Pop kufanele impela bakhuphule ngempela emasokisini abafana. Ayikho into ezobalula. Yeah, because njengamanje njoba bengishilo last ukuthi kune cup esifuna kabuhlungu. The way besifuna ileague ngakhona ku last season sizosebenzisa same approach ukufuna iCAF. You understand? And I'm happy ukuthi iCAF njengamanje asiyilande kudeni iseduze if umuntu opopola kahle noma futhi ungavele nje ufaka iGPS ubunje uthi khaphi uzangitshela nje ukuthi nje 30 minutes short left short right ithi la ePitoli iseduze kakhulu iCAF akusikho ukuthi siyoyilanda le ko Madagascar siyilanda nje mo so kuzodlalwa ngiyakutshela baba uyabona njengoba bengisho la season ngithi kuzaguga ama Bragg stand hayi mawungena Bragg stand awusili ibhakaniya ngiyakutshela qhela ngoba akekho ozokuboleka iBragg stand kuyawuphela inyama kuyawukhunga amazinyo kuyawujema amagalite kuphela umatches kuyawuluka inyama ezweni
was 38 kanje ghost in closing intwana outgoings and incomings.
No, I think in fact we needed to offload. Happy for MasterChef. Multiplier ready offload that he got a club. And at least it's those Muslim countries is not gonna be getting access to beverages and stuff like
that. And do too much that shit. You'll find a way.
I'm a chef.
So yeah, I think I was happy to see Chef to the team, and then incomings I've already said mina ukuthi Sebastian
is 5
top goal scorer
very careful very careful
Kanti Bombay amakuthi Bombay Young Haaland.
Yeah. We've reached the end of the show, Mapagania. Thanks for watching us, Bafetu. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, Bafetu. This is Beekeeper, Mr. Mlambo. That's Ghost, Bafetu. Bopa.